Hey everyone, did you watch yesterday's football match? What an exciting match it was, especially the last 15 minutes. So, after 36 long years, Argentina has won the World Cup, and Lionel Messi's career is now complete with a World Cup victory. This is the third time Argentina is winning the World Cup, and being a perfect player and a captain, Lionel Messi motivated his teammates towards the victory. Today all of us are celebrating the football team of Argentina. But do you know how did they reach so far? Let's look back into their past and discover how Argentina became such a strong football team in the world. The football team of Argentina is also known as albiceleste, which refers to the white and blue color in their jersey. There has been a lot of political turmoil within the country from 1946 to 1983. Besides a lot of political pressure and turmoil within the country, the team has emerged as a strong football team in the whole world. Argentina has won the World Cup in 1978, 1986 and now in 2022. Apart from the World Cup, they have won Copa America 15 times, Pan American Championship, CONMEBOL UEFA Cup of Champions and has won 2 gold medals at the Summer Olympics of 2004 and 2008. The first ever match played by Argentina was against Uruguay in the year 1902. It had taken a 20-year-long break between 1934 and 1954. Even though it had taken a long break, Argentina's football record has been the most desirable in the whole world. As was the case of South American continent, football came into Argentina through the British sailors in 1860s and had developed in the British established schools in Argentina. Very soon it had spread throughout the country and a lot of football clubs were formed. Argentina had hosted the FIFA World Cup in 1978 and had won the World Cup against Netherlands. Diego Maradona inspired his team to win the World Cup in the year 1986. And now Lionel Messi has motivated his teammates to win the World Cup of 2022. While talking about football, we definitely can't miss Lionel Messi, Diego Maradona, Mario Kempes and Gabriel Batistuta. Lionel Messi had joined the team in 2005. He had won the Summer Olympics of 2008 and now the FIFA World Cup of 2022. He has won 71 caps and has scored 98 goals in his career. In sports, a cap refers to a player's appearance in a game at the international level. Diego Maradona is in the top 3 of the greatest football players of all time. He had scored the infamous hand of gold goal against England in the quarterfinals. He has 91 caps and has scored 34 goals. Mario Kempes was a prolific striker. He appeared in 3 World Cups. He has 43 caps and has scored 20 goals. Gabriel Batistuta appeared in 3 World Cups. He was the all-time goal scorer for Argentina. He has 78 caps and has scored 54 goals. His record was finally broken by Lionel Messi in the year 2016 and he became the highest goal scorer for Argentina. Who says that we cannot perform under pressure? The team of Argentina is a very good example before us. The whole team worked hard to get this victory for their country after 36 long years. We'll see you again in the next episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep supporting us.